Yes. Okay. Hey guys, it's your boy Epic Jamaican back at you again with another video, and we're playing more. I forgot the name of this effing game. For Honor. Okay, so I can sneak up on people. Okay, got it. So we're playing some more For Honor, and we're sneaking up on people with this girl. Okay, let me know if you guys are enjoying the series. Oh, it's a nice. That's a nice heavy chop. I'm getting my ass F by these two niggas. Okay, no. Holy shit. He got F'd. Alright. So let me know, guys, how you enjoying the series. It's really good. It's a really fun game to play. So, we're gonna move forward. What's this? A dead body. We gotta go down here and find the recipe.
Apollyon asked me to clear the way, so of course
F
I
you.
obeyed.
Holy shit. F you. Too many of y'all niggas, bro. Shit. Too many of y'all niggas, bro. Dude, there's somebody behind me? Oh. Yeah, we just gotta take these guys out right quick.
The warboard should have counterattacked by now.
Okay, so we got these niggas out the way. Okay. Okay, we don't want to do it right now, do we? Let's drop this bomb on him. Okay, that's not what I thought it would have been. Holy shit. He effed my shit up. Wow. I have to start over? Okay. Yeah, I had to start over because I freaking died, bro. But we're just gonna run through this really quick.
Apollyon asked me to clear the way, so of course I obeyed.
Yeah, we're not gonna let this take effing long as shit anymore. Okay, I'm effing tired again.
This path is much like I remember it.
She died. She's pretty badass. Okay, got her. Yeah, really effed up with this guy down here. Took him for granted. Holy shit. Holy shit. Took him for granted. For real.
The volcano's cloud has
Holy
withered.
shit, that nigga's strong. Oh crap. Oh, so you can do executions? I dead ass didn't remember that, like, for real.
These Vikings should be more vigilant. The volcano's cloud has withered this place.
Shit. So I gotta keep holding it to do the execution, basically.
Napoleon was right. The cold is keeping the warborn at bay.
Okay. We got both of them. Gotta head to the checkpoint. Let's run it up. Okay, holy shit. We're gonna kick your ass off here. Kick him off, kick him off, kick him off. F you. Wait, he didn't die? No, he didn't. Okay, so let's go down there.
Stone is trustworthy, I think. Rude, but trustworthy.
Damn. This girl is strong. Strong. Ah! Cut off the head. Cut off the head. And left the what? Ah. Crap, where we gotta go now? I think we gotta go up here.
These Vikings should be more vigilant.
Crap. Damn it. Okay, she's the fast one, so we gotta watch out for her. cut off your head. So what do you with him now? Alright, so hold on. Up here, so where I go now. Just run it up on the board, up here, so. Go up on the ladder. Honestly, like, she's one of my favorites to play with as of right now. Very agile. Very agile, very fast.
Stone would be dead if not for that warden.
That's actually my health. It's freaking low as shit, so yeah, let's run it up a little bit. What the frick? What the hell? I was trying to kick him off. Yeah. Oh, yes. Kill that ass. Death strike. Okay, let's heal up back. And let's go over here. Oh shit, did she die? Oh no, she didn't die.
Darkness will cover the world, I think.
Damn it. Holy shit. What the frig? Ah. Okay, I didn't have to start all over. Good. So, even if you're doing that shit, she still can kill you. Okay, so he's dead. Okay, let's head back up really fast.
So much has changed in so little time.
Effing shit, man. Let's get it. Oh, Gotti. Can we get over there? No, we can't. Okay. Gotti. Damn.
That warden is a decent person.
Oh. Holy shit. No! Oh my god. Like, how did he effing kill me there? What the frick just happened? What the frick is happening? I got two hoes, one for the plug and one for the dose. Bye. Apparently the... Okay. So many of these like annoying ass freaking... Holy shit, I almost fell. Okay, you know what? When I see them in a camp, I'm literally just gonna like blow them up because... Okay, that was not a bomb. That's what I thought it was. Oh shit, he hit his friend. Okay. We can't lose again, artist. I'm dead ass gonna just shave my head bald. So many of them too. Oh my god. If I take that big guy out, I'm straight. The frig is happening? Holy shit. Okay, that's not fair. You're not letting me hit you. Holy shit, his hits are so effing heavy. Okay, I gotta wait right here for a second. Okay, let's get it again. F you. F you. F you. Again, that was just too easy, bro. Too easy. Too easy. Too easy. Too easy. F you. F you. F you. Okay, F all y'all, bro. I'm out. I would have been so far if y'all niggas didn't. Okay, that hurt. That hurt a lot. That hurt a lot. Hurt a lot.
Service is life. Service is life.
Okay. You have all them up. Gonna just go down here.
I had an idea.
Wait, how do we jump down and kill them again? Okay, there we go.
Getting inside was easier than I expected.
F you. Cut off your head.
I wonder.
So we only can do executions on the big guys, I guess.
I was pretty sure this was going to work.
Okay. Close that. Oh, we're gonna set the cartridge on fire, I guess. Okay. Oh no, we're gonna just trap them in there and kill all of them, right?
What would happen if I pulled that lever?
Hmm. Kill us. So we deal with woman. Oh no. Just this girl. Not all girls. Okay. We gotta get over. Gotta get in here? Yeah, we gotta get in here.
I should pull that one, I think. Now where is the central mechanism?
Okay.
What do you suppose that does?
I think I gotta go back inside. Go upstairs, maybe? Is there upstairs? Okay.
If I understood this contraption, raising the elevator now should prove exciting.
Okay, he's really tough. Really tough.
Damn. I literally just saw her snap her hand. Shit, man.
He's really tough. Okay. Yeah, we gotta just run. We gotta run.
Shit, what's that other place? It's like, what?
We gotta freaking wait till we can get some health back. He's freaking bad as shit.
I know, I have a problem.
Okay.
Man. I don't know. I just been crazy.
His health got up too. Oh no, he didn't.
Oh, you see? Okay.
Fuck off it. Blows
Okay,
on
well, I
skirt.
moved kind of. So which one closed on the left? The tailgaters or lefties? Shit. Alright then. Alright, well, look though. Well, thanks anyways. Tell him Marissa hi. Alright, bye.
Path's clear.
Wow.
Impressive.
She's actually pretty badass, to be honest. I actually really enjoyed playing with her. She's actually really good. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. It's been your boy Epic Jamaican.